In this lesson, you'll learn about multiplying decimals. If you keep your head, you'll realize that multiplying decimals is really no more complex than multiplying whole numbers. Take a look at the following example. 3.77 multiplied by 2.8. We can write the multiplication as for any other numbers. Notice that we align all the numbers to the right. We aren't aligning the numbers by their decimal point. For the multiplication step, we ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers as though they were whole numbers. We imagine that we're multiplying 377 by 28. We ended up with an answer of 10,556. But we know that this isn't right. We have to put the decimal point into the solution in the correct place. In our example, we've put it 3 places to the left. How did we choose 3? Look at the original numbers. The first number has 2 decimal places. The second number has 1. We've simply added the number of decimal places. In other words, the answer has to have the same number of decimal places as the sum of the original numbers. The calculator is a great tool for doing complex math, but it's still important to learn how to do these calculations by hand. It's easy, when using a calculator, to make a mistake without realizing it. And calculators don't teach you how the correct answer is found. Besides, do you always have a calculator handy when you need one? Let's recap the rules for multiplying decimal numbers. We multiply them as if they were whole numbers. Line them up on the right. Don't align the decimal points. Multiply each digit in the top number by each digit in the bottom number, just as you would with whole numbers. Add together the products you have. Then place the decimal point in the answer by adding together the number of decimal places in the original numbers. You can use estimating to help you work out whether you have placed the decimal point in the right position. Here's an important rule to remember. When you're replacing the decimal point in your solution, you may find that there aren't enough digits in your answer. You'll then have to add zeros on the left-hand side to give the proper number of decimal places.